The recycling business and rubbish dumping business can be very rewarding, although very difficult. There are very few sites around. Approvals are very difficult. And to give you an idea of how lucrative it may be, let me tell you a little story. About 10, 12 years or so ago, I was marketing a rubbish recycling yard, and I met quite a few people looking to buy it. Persons I was looking to buy it, I recognised, I knew of, I'd never met him before, and I knew that he just recently bought a property. And I knew the situation, and I did the first thing I said to him. I said, well, that property he bought was a good investment. Didn't say a word, gave me a big smile. I said it all. Well, this particular property was very unique. It was about 6 to 8 kilometres from the city, about 5+ acres of land. So it's a huge block of land. A massive hole in the ground, might have been quarry, mining over the years, brickworks would have already been. Very heavily polluted. In fact, one stage there was some gas release from there, which caused the whole area to be cordoned off for days. Anyway, this property came on the market and this person decided to buy it. And I don't recall the exact price this person paid for it, but it was well below market value. So it was a very good deal. This person was in the rubbish dumping business and had a massive hole in the ground to fill up, which took years to fill up. After it was filled up, sealed, concrete up, and major retailers were put there. Major international retailers, I mean. So its end result was a good investment. So not only did they get the money from recycling and dumping of rubbish, they got the value from being a major retail area. Gives you an example. How big is the recycling market? Well, we're all taught to recycle. Our natural resources are dwindling, and the incentives there to keep recycling all the time. But like all industries, it's got its challenges and opportunities. Past decade or so, the profitability of recycling and rubbish can be influenced by various factors, such as market demand, commodity prices, technological advancements, and government policies. For example, the Environment Protection Authority, or wherever the name of the board who looks after this in your state or country, has a habit of changing policies all the time. So the laws are getting tougher and tougher. But the global recycling industry has been valued at hundreds of billions of dollars, encompassing various materials like plastics, paper, metals, and glass. It has continued to grow globally due to the increased environmental awareness, regulations promoting recycling, and growing emphasis on sustainability. Fluctuations in commodity prices can impact profitability of recycling, as the industry heavily relies on the market prices for recycled materials. Various governments throughout the world have got various policies and initiatives, such as container deposit schemes, waste reduction targets, etc., which do affect the profitability, can make it more lucrative for people to get into industry and recycle things. The global push towards a circular economy has presented a lot of growth opportunities. Also, technological advances have improved efficiency and reduced costs, contributing to the industry's profitability. So there is a continuous awareness that from the whole community and governments and consumers as a whole, and it's to increased demand for products made from recycled materials, positively affecting the recycling market. So there are opportunities there in commercial real estate investment to get into recycling and rubbish dumps. They're very few and far between. So people tend to disregard them as being too hard, too difficult. They are regulated, but if you can overcome those obstacles, they could be good investments. But obviously, like any investment, you do your homework beforehand and get the relevant people to check it all out for you. Like to hear comments. and subscribe to the channel.